Hi, I'm Ron Polk, and this is the Small Mobile Awesome Rolling Toolbox, aka SMART. And this is the Polk Smart Bench and the Polk Smart Station. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build SMART, one of my workbenches, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below.
So I had, it looks like termites or dry rot in this stud. So I chased it up and I finally went all the way up so I was completely clean of it. And the rest of the studs look good and the plywood looks good. So I'm gonna seal that up on the outside, nail it back tight. I'm gonna clip those nails loose, put a filler in here. Nail this off, I am using galvanized siding nails, and I went through this bat because this is where that stud is. But when I come outside and finish this, I'm going to strip these bats off. So I'll pull that bat and tap these nails in, and then this three sides here, this is the back side of the shower and the two sides there, I'm going to do those in hardy. So it'll be horizontal hardy. So I'll pull these bats off and use this. I'll wrap it in paper, and this will be the sheeting. So I'll probably do some more nailing, but I have to be careful because the other side of the wall is going to have the Durarock and the tile, and I don't want to crack the tile. So this will be one of those that I'll have to be conscientious when I'm reciting of what's on the other side. But I went ahead and nailed off the bottom, which wasn't nailed very good. Could actually see light, and some plants had grown up in there, and that one stud here had rotted out about 32 inches or so. It looked like dry rot. Could have been ground termites, but there was no other evidence in the plate or any of the other studs or even in the plywood that was nailed to it. So not sure, but cut it all out till it was clean wood.
Easter Sunday, and Ron is insulating the shower, getting ready for the tile guys.
Fun?
Maybe the Easter Bunny will leave you a chocolate rabbit somewhere.
Maybe.
Looks like you're almost done.
Yeah, got all the insulation in. I got one nail I need to get a hammer to pull out, and then right here I want to mark. There's a hose bib right here,
Okay.
and I want the tile guys to know because they're going to be nailing their Durarock on.
Okay.
So I want to kind of mark.
We'll get out a marker and do that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I got it all in. I just need to staple the last few.
Good job.
You know, I'm not a professional insulator. Those guys are much better than I am. They're a lot neater. But considering there was no insulation in this since it was built, and it's the 1961 house, I'd say it's going to be better insulated than it was.
Oh, yeah.
I framed this in for a window, a 14 by 14 window. It is a impact window. We're going to change all the windows in the house, even though they're good vinyl. We're going to change them all to impact. And so this is the first one we bought. It's coming, but the tile will be done before the window's here. So I got some saw blades coming today, Sunday, believe it or not. Amazon's delivering. And I'm going to cut this out from the inside, and then I'm going to make up this with a block that will represent the window, and it'll be screwed into place. And then the tile guys can go right to that. And then when the window arrives, I'll just unscrew these, push it out, and install the window from the outside. So should work out good. But anyway, and it's also, the hard part was getting the insulation, because this is about 11 inches down from the plate. So I had to get the insulation back in up there all the way around. But, and then around all the plumbing and the blocking. But it worked out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Next up is Durarock.
If you're enjoying these videos, if you're getting anything out of them on this fixer in Florida, then be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you'd like to support our efforts so we can continue to slow down, shoot more video, and show the process of what we're doing as we remodel this home, then there's a couple of ways you can do that. One, obviously, is you can pick up a set of our plans, any of our plans. You can also use our affiliate links, which you'll find in the description down below when you go to our website. And then, of course, we have our merchandise, like our t-shirts with our brand new logo. And finally, YouTube has just added the thanks button right down below. You can click on that and it'll show you exactly what to do. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.